Upwork is the global platform for the job market, so nothing special if you are searching for projects with keywords and categories. You get a huge number of results. This number continues to grow with hundreds and thousands of new projects added from customers every day. You might also notice that every project has plenty of offers from performers. Sometimes this number is over 50. No worries, it's possible to be diligent even in such an environment, but it requires a better understanding of our competitors. An analysis of the talents catalog can assist you here. To start, go to the Upwork site. I'm using an existing account to show you how it works, but you can also continue without signing in. All the main features will be available, but the interface might differ from what is shown on the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu near the search field, choose Talent. Near that, add keywords such as the name of service, technology, tool, or other keywords you would like to encourage clients to use to find you as a specialist. For example, let's type graphic design. After getting the results, you might see that Upwork doesn't show the number of performers for your request, but it can be hundreds of pages from different freelancers around the world. They will significantly vary from each other according to the number of completed projects, profile description, and portfolio. The hourly rate will also differentiate from $5 to $150. At this stage, you might again feel disappointed and think about running away from this platform. I know it looks bad the first time, but don't hurry to leave. What if I say that not all of these specialists are your competitors? Yes, also Upwork shows these performers in the search results with the same keywords. Not everyone will be your competitor. Let me explain. First of all, not all customers would like to work at the lowest rates. Some of them wouldn't even look at offers from freelancers with an hourly rate of less than $25, because such a price is not compatible with quality work for them. Secondly, you should understand that choosing the right freelancer is a huge stress for their client, or, as in the case of urgent deadlines, even a financial risk. To cut down on these factors, customers would prefer executors with a similar mentality and time zone, as well as a good level of English or certain other languages. Now you might be interested in how to identify people with whom you rival above all else. My answer is short. Just use the talent catalog filters. Let's see how they can help you. First of all, add the location filter. Type your exact location here and you'll see how your results change. I will type Ukraine to show you how it might look. Instead of a huge variety of specialists from around the world, only Ukrainians are shown. Next, if you work as an independent freelancer, select the freelancers option in the talent type filter. After that, add additional skills that fit you exactly. For example, graphic designers might have a variety of different competencies, and you don't necessarily need to specialize in all of them at the same time to work in this area. Finally, use an hourly rate filter and unselect a few of the lowest and highest. Remember, not to try to rival using the lowest price, as you will only expand the number of competitors or sometimes even cut down on the number of projects to work on. The rest of the filters are not so crucial, but you can check them out if you would like to. After setting up these parameters, check for as many relevant keywords and phrases that describe your services as possible. It will be more efficient to save some information rather than just watch the search results, as it also helps you better understand your competitors and design the profile to be more attractive. I recommend you use a sheet to write down all the details. Under the lecture, I have added a ready-made template to assist you in speeding up this process. Visit the profiles that appear in your search results and pay attention to what the specialist wrote, how the text is structured, whether there are any emojis, what elements are underlined, etc. I also advise you to write in the table such information as the specialization that performers use, their titles, their hourly rates, and their key skills. Don't forget to check on how each portfolio is designed, and what additional information is shown, such as education, certificates, work experience, etc.